How to redeem 16-digit Fortnite code on PS5. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 16-digit Fortnite code on PS5. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. There isn't a built-in way to redeem V-Bucks directly on the PS5 through the PlayStation Store. However, you can redeem them using a web browser on your PS5 and then activate the code within Fortnite itself. Here's how to do it. First, access the PS5 web browser and then go ahead and turn on your PS5 and navigate to the Settings menu. Go to the System tab and select Web Browser. Open the web browser in your PS5 web browser now. On the website, you will need to log in to your Epic Games account, which is linked to your Fortnite account. Once logged in, you will see a section to redeem your V-Bucks. Here, enter the 16-digit code that came with your V-Bucks purchase, which is usually found on the back of a physical card or via email if purchased digitally. Then, select the platform and then tap on the Confirm button. So, this is how you can redeem 16-digit Fortnite code on PS5. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful videos. See you on the next one.